In this lecture, I'll be discussing about the binary tree traversal. So first, what is a binary tree? A binary tree is a data structure. In short, you can call it a non-linear data structure. So the speciality of binary tree is you can have any number of nodes. Here in this picture, A is the root node, B and C are its children. B has one child D and C has one child E. So A has two children B and C. In a binary tree, every node can have not more than two children, which is a maximum of two children for each parent. So this is an example of a binary tree. So this is another example. This is a skewed tree where A has only one child, which is B, and B has only one child, which is D. This is another example of a binary tree. So A has two children, B and C. B has two children, D and E. D has two children, G and H. H has one child, L. C has one child, F. F has two children, I and J. And K has one child, which is, J has one child, which is K. Now, binary tree traversal. Traversal means visiting all the node only once exactly, not more than once. Now, based on the order of visiting, we have four traversals: in order, pre-order, post-order, and level order. In order traversal, first we will visit the left subtree, then the root node, and then the right node, right subtree. In pre-order traversal, first we will visit the root node, then go for the left subtree and then the right subtree. In post-order traversal, first we will visit the left subtree, then the right subtree, and then the root node. In level order, we will start from the root level, then go to the first level, second level, and so on. So we will be visiting it level wise. Now here is an example for in order traversal. So as I told, in order means first we will visit the left node, then we will visit the root node, and finally the right node. So here the order will be, the answer for this in order traversal will be B, A, and C. So this is the algorithm. First, we will be visiting the this is the algorithm for the in order traversal. For this in order traversal, we have to input a tree, right? So there is an input which is the tree. Now we will be repeating three steps. Perform in order for the left subtree, write the root node, and then perform in order for the right subtree. So these three steps will be repeated until every node of the tree is read. So first, take an example. Make sure it is a binary tree. Now, binary tree means each and every node of this tree will have not more than two children. So here we can see that G, L, E, I, K, all these are leaf nodes because there are no children for these nodes. And the other nodes have one or two children. So this is a binary tree. Now, in this tree, we are going to perform in order traversal. In order traversal is first identify the root node, go to the left subtree, and then perform in order traversal. So first here A is the root node. So go to the left subtree. So the left subtree of this root node is, it starts with B. So B, it has two children, D has two children, H has one child. So this is the left subtree. For this left subtree, we are going to again perform in order traversal. So again go for the leftmost subtree. So this is the leftmost subtree. Now in this leftmost subtree, again go for in-order traversal. Again, which means you go for the left subtree. Now there is no further subtrees, so you can write the in-order traversal answer. So it starts with visiting every node once, right? So G is the first node that we will be visiting. So start writing the answer. So G is first visited. Now after visiting the left subtree, you will be writing the root node. So D is the root node. After visiting the root node, go for the right subtree. So in this right subtree, again you have to go for in-order traversal, which means left, root and right. So there is no left, so you have to write the root, which is H. Then go for the right node, which is L. Now you can see that this subtree which starts with D is completely traversed. Now go for the root of this left subtree, which is B. Okay. Now after this root is traversed, you have to go to the right subtree. There is only one element here or one node here, which is E. So this left subtree of A is traversed. Now go for reading the root node, which is A. Now go for traversing the right subtree, which has its root node C, right? Now in this again, you have to traverse the left, root and right. There is no left, so read the root node, which is C. Now go for the right subtree, which starts with F. In your F, you have to again go for left, root and right. So the left node is I, no further subtrees. Then go for root node, which is F. After F, you have to go and traverse the right subtree. So in this right subtree, we have a root node J, then you have the left node K, and then you don't have any other children. So after reading F, go to the subtree which starts with J. Now again read the left subtree which is K, and then go for the root node J. There is no more children to the right side. So this is in order traversal for this tree. In pre-order traversal, as the name says, first the root will be traversed, then the left subtree and the right subtree. So here in this example, you have a very small tree. A is the root node and it has two children, B and C. This is a binary tree. Here, if you're going to pre-order traversal this tree, then first A will be traversed, then B and then C. So let us look at the algorithm. So again, in order to pre-order traverse, you need tree as the input. And again, here we have three steps. First, you write what is the root node. Then you will go for pre-order traversing the left subtree, then the right subtree. So this keeps repeating until each and every node is traversed. So consider this example. So this is a binary tree. Here the root node is A. So first we will write the root node. Then go for the left subtree. In this left subtree, again first you will write the root node, which is B. Then you will go for the left subtree. In this left subtree, the root node is D. Now you will go for the left subtree. In this root node is G. Now there is no further left subtrees. Root node is already traversed, left node is already traversed. So go to the right subtree. Right subtree is HL, right? Now here again, first read the root node. So H is the root node. Now there is no left subtree, so you go to the right subtree. Here this is the root node, right? No children, so read L. So with this, the left subtree is over. Now after the left subtree is over, already we have read B, left subtree is over, so go to the right subtree, which is E. Now you can see that root is already read, left subtree is completely traversed. Now go to the right subtree, which is starting with C. Now C is the root node, so read or traverse C. Then go for the left subtree. So here there is no left subtree for your C subtree. So go to the right subtree. Now read the root node, which is F. Then go for the left subtree. Here I only have one node, so read that. And then go for the right subtree. In this right subtree, the root is J. Then go for the left subtree, which is K. So now you can see that the whole tree is traversed in pre-order. So this is the pre-order traversal for this given tree. Post-order traversal. So as the name says, post. Root is the thing which will be traversed at the end. So here I have an example tree. A is the root node, B and C are its children. So first you will traverse the left node, then the right node, and finally you will read the root node. So here B, C and A. This is the order in which post-order traversal will happen for this binary tree. So looking at the algorithm, first you will post-order traversal the left subtree, then the right subtree, and then you will read the root node. This keeps repeating until each and every node of this tree is traversed. So take this example. So here you have a binary tree. First, we will have to traverse the left subtree. So left subtree it starts with B. In this, again, you are going to do post-order traversal. So again, go for the left subtree. In this, again, go for the left subtree. So first node that will be in your traversal order is G. Then go for the right subtree. In this right subtree, there is no left subtree, right? So go for the right subtree, which will be L. Then go for the root. So in this subtree, left, right, and root, right? Now in this subtree, left is already red, right is red. Now go for the root. Now in this subtree, B subtree, left is completely traversed. Then go for the right subtree, which is E. Then read the root. Now if A is the parent, left subtree is completely traversed. Now go for the right subtree. In this right subtree again, go for left, right and root. So there is no left. Go for this subtree then, which is the right subtree. Now in this right subtree, you have a left subtree. So read that, which is traverse I. Then go for its right subtree. In this right subtree, go for left, right and root. So there is no right. So read K, then J. Now in F subtree, I is already traversed. K and J is traversed. So go for the root. Now again in your C subtree, left is already traversed, which is we don't have a left subtree. Right subtree is traversed. Now go for traversing the root. Now in this complete tree of A, left subtree is completely traversed, right subtree is completely traversed. So there is only one node which is not traversed yet, which is the root node. So this is the final traversal order. This is the given tree, and if you want to traverse the complete tree with post order traversal, this is the final solution. The fourth traversal is level order traversal. So before understanding level order traversal, we should know what is a level in a tree. So in this given tree, A is the root node, B and C are its children. So the node that is present in the root node is at level 0. Its children are at level 1. Its grandchildren are at level 2. So if you understand this, then it is easy for you to understand level order traversal. So consider this example where A is the root node, B and C are its children. So A is at level 0, B and C are at level 1. So read A and then go to level 1, read from left to right, BC. So the level order traversal for this tree will be A, B, C. A, B, C. Take another example. So here, first we will read A, which is at level 0, then go to nodes at level 1. So read from left to right, B, C. Then go to the second level, D, E, F. Then G, H, I, J, L, K. This is level order traversal. So one more example. First, you will read the root element A, then go to level 1, BC, level 2, DE, level 3, F, G, H, I. So this is level order traversal. So in this lecture, we have discussed binary tree traversal. Its 4 varieties: pre-order, post-order, in order, and level order. Thank you.